All right, so I'm super thrilled with this. I tested to make sure that the batteries were in series by essentially having the batteries in my smart lock, confirming that it worked, and then taking out a single battery at a time and confirming that if even a single battery is removed, then the lock stopped working, which indicates that for most cases it's in series. Once that was the case, I put these four in, and again, you could be careful by putting one in and then adding the conductors. So this goes into a USB 2 port, and that port goes into my mains. And so right now this lock is running off the mains, and just to show you, here you go, it turns on. So super thrilled with this. So the next step for me is just to plug this into a power bank that does pass-through charging, so that even when the electricity goes out, this unit keeps working, and even when the power bank is charging, it continues to power this. So super thrilled, and if this is a use case you're thinking about, I can confirm it works for some of these locks. Just make sure that the batteries are in series, not parallel, and adjust the voltages. So the one confusing thing about this that they didn't, the material on this is kind of not so great. So it's not really clear what USB charge or what USB I guess charger to connect it to. So since it's a USB outlet, you kind of have to do trial and error and figure it out and hope you don't fry your component. I think it just provides the same voltage that you plug it into. So just make sure you plug it into a 5-volt outlet, and I think USB typically is that, but just in case there is like a 9-volt or something like that, make sure you plug it into something that only does 5 volts. Otherwise, you could be into trouble. So for these for this 4 unit one, because 4 times 1.5 is 6 volts, and so at 5 volts it should be able to run that.